Welcome to the Chemistry Network, where you find out about the latest intel on chemistry in its uses around the world. Today we're talking about chemistry in medicine, in food, in global warming, in the melting of the polar ice caps, and at last the chemical warfare. Well, as you can see, there is a lot of areas of application, and to start, we will start with chemistry with medicine.
It is well known that medicine and chemistry are closely related. Chemistry is in charge of processing and developing new medicines, and it's also present in diagnosis, being a great part of the laboratory technician's work. Chemistry is like the theory of medicine, and medicine itself is the application of those theories towards diseases treatment, its diagnosis, prevention, and preserving health in humankind. An example of chemistry's contribution to medicine is chemotherapy. Although it's really popular, some of the chemotherapy agents are poisonous, meaning that they do kill cancer cells, but they also kill normal cells. This leads to several side effects. Chemotherapy contains drugs such as cisplatin, vincristine, tamoxifen, Taxol, among others.
Now we will pass to the uses of chemistry in food.
Examples of chemistry contribution to food is the use of preservatives that will don't let it rot, the use of flavors to make it more tasty, and finally, that when you digest food, chemistry happens also there.
The next topic is global warming.
Global warming refers to an increase in Earth's global temperature, atmosphere, and oceans. One of the things that cause global warming is the emission of several greenhouse gases, which are emitted by fossil fuels in cars, factories, and electricity production. Carbon dioxide is actually the main reason, because this gas harms the ozone case severely. The greenhouse effect happens when certain gases in Earth's atmosphere trap heat. This is a beneficial process. The problem is when there's a lot of gases and it doesn't let the heat escape. So that's when global warming starts. Because of this effect, the ice poles start to melt, and this changes drastically the temperature of the whole world. Global warming is a serious issue nowadays, but luckily, people have started to care about their environment and future, so most of them are trying to help in their own way to repair little by little the damage caused by humans.
Now we will find out about the melting of the polar ice caps.
As it is commonly advertised, the melting of the ice caps affects the climate all over the world. It can be manifested as the increase of temperature or the rising of the overall sea level. Here are some ways to solve these problems. Renewable energy sources such as wind power, hydropower, solar energy, and geothermal energy are used to produce electricity and other types of energy that will normally pollute while being produced. Reduce the usage of contamination sources. Factories, industries, and other kinds of fabrics that pollute a lot.
Interesting topic on how to reduce the melting of the polar ice caps, but I think you missed just one solution, that is the most simple, that is to recycle. Well, now, for last, we save the best, chemical warfare. What is chemical warfare? Chemical warfare is basically the use of chemical weapons to cause war or to harm other people. The most commonly known chemical weapon that is legal basically in all the world is used to arrest people is called pepper spray. The pepper spray is basically used to blind you, and it does not cause permanent damage like other chemical weapons that are considered weapons of mass destruction. These are weapons such as nuclear weapons that destroy your inside or kill you slowly or kill you in the instant they explode or react. That is why they're considered weapons of mass destruction, and the UN wants to ban these weapons from the world. And a great example is the war that is right now in Syria between the terrorists and the government, which terrorists use chemical weapons on people and they are harming them, and that is why the UN and other countries in the world want to ban these chemical weapons, which are very harmful and can cause worse damage than a nuclear weapon. They kill you slowly, they kill humanity in a bigger way than nuclear weapons, although they're different from biological weapons because they don't cause disease, but still they are reacting with all your chemicals in your body and in their skin and can kill a lot of people. That is why chemical weapons will soon be banned from the world, or at least tried. Wow, very interesting topics. Well, the conclusion that I think we could all take from here is that chemistry has helped us evolve and create new technology, not necessarily for good or for bad, but it's just new technology that is creating new things in the world that we need to be afraid of or that will help us now and in the future. Thank you, and we hope you all learn about the chemistry and its uses around the world.